The best I could say, Mr. Paulo Cruzada, you should never harass Teacher Gio Malana. Because, I've been told with Jeric Silva at the time, I just said to him, kinuwento sa akin ni Teacher Gio Malana. When Teacher Gio Malana had read the messages from the group chat from Paulo Cruzada, he didn't realize, he asking me, who's Paulo Cruzada? And I just wanna respond. That was a former student of Teacher May. You know, Paulo Cruzada, why you threatened to make a bomb threat in New York City, in United States? If the FBI will see you, if they will arrest you, they will coordinate with the authorities. They will extradite you to United States. Just remember, Paulo Cruzada, the people are there are very angry at you. The people are complaining at you. Not even just that. I've been told with my gangs also, even just who's at part of my gang. Oh, unlike Joseph Maspinas, I have my own gang of Spedmotics. Among them are Alfred Eslabra. Alfred Eslabra, oh, he's a part of my gang. Jude Goles, even Nicky Miranda, and the rest of the others. We are all the part of the gang. Even 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 my close ally, oh, Jordan Pilapil is a part of my Spedmotics gang. They will guarded at Teacher May Tiburcio's house in Cainta, Rizal. Just like in Batang Quiapo, about the Guerrero family, heavily guarded. So we need to heavily guarded at Teacher May's house, that Paulo Cruzada will never infiltrate at Teacher May's house. And we need the pellet guns, we need the airsoft gun to shoot Paulo Cruzada and his gang. Among them is Gina Asedio, Jeffrey Asedio, and G. Macasandil. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should never brainwash my former enemies, even Luis Cabales, Wawel Romero, including Best Pills, Arnel Guerrera Castillo. You should never brainwash them, Paulo Cruzada, because they really hate you. The people out there, in the people of some area and the people of over the place, they really hate you. You know, Paulo Cruzada, you should be ashamed of yourself. You should be ashamed to Teacher May. That is my words I could say to you. You should be ashamed to yourself. You should be ashamed to your parents, Mrs. Marion Cruzada and Mr. Kulas Cruzada. You know, Mrs. Marion Cruzada, lecture your son that his attitude, you know, what he is doing is not really nice. If I were you, Paulo Cruzada, You should be in prison. That is your fault. That is your consequence. However, you're lying that Joseph Maspinas, he doesn't have a vehicle. How come Joseph Maspinas has a Russian UAZ-469 that was a vehicle of Tito Mac? How did Joseph Maspinas ride a vehicle, an sports utility vehicle or SUV? Can you just give me a break, Paulo Cruzada? Joseph Maspinas is always commute to go to school. Just like Teacher May, always commute. She ride a jeep in Quezon City, in CDIFI, near the formerly the Philippine Children's Medical Center. Oh, she always commute from Cainta Rizal to Quezon City. Oh, unlike her, she always commute. Joseph Maspinas, he learns how to commute. He doesn't have vehicle. Even Sophia Ahmad Sultan has a vehicle. Always multi-cab she ride. She doesn't have a vehicle. Napaka-bobo mo, Paulo Cruzada. Napaka-gago mo, Paulo Cruzada. I'm sorry for my bad words in Tagalog. You know, you are a very an asshole, Paulo Cruzada. Where is the vehicle of Joseph Maspinas and Sophia Ahmad Sultan? Ah, if you try to threaten to destroy Franco Cagayat's vehicle, remember, Paulo Cruzada, I contact with my Spedmotics gang, Franco Cagayat. He will drive you up. He will ramp you with the vehicle. He will ramp you into the depth. Remember that, Paulo Cruzada. After he defeated Sam Season, it's you, Paulo Cruzada. Maybe Franco Cagayat will drive a vehicle. He will ramp Paulo Cruzada with the Honda Jazz. If he ramp to the Honda Jazz, he will ramp Paulo Cruzada with a vehicle. Oh. And now, you see, durog ang muka, Paulo Cruzada. Remember that. You know, Paulo Cruzada, I will never, ever to see your face, what you have done to all of my friends. Even my former teachers, even J. Rick Silva's friends, even the former teachers in CDIFI, they will never forgive you.